Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Amazon app on your phone. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store if you're using an Android. If you're using an iPhone, head over to your App Store. Once you're in your store, tap on the search bar and search for Amazon. In the search results, you will see the Amazon Shopping app. It is developed by Amazon Mobile LLC, so this is the official one. Once you find the app, you can see the install button right next to the app icon. You can tap on it to download this app on your phone. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Amazon app on your phone. You can now create your account and explore using this app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.